Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix volume problem on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to sounds and vibration. From here, just make sure that your smartphone is not on mute. If your smartphone is on mute, just select sound. After that, just tap on volume, and from here, just increase the volume sliders. Now, once you increase the volume sliders, after that, just go back. And from here, just tap on separate app sound. Now, if this option is enabled, you just turn off this option. After that, just go back and tap on notifications. From here, just tap on do not disturb and make sure you disable do not disturb mode. And once you do that, just go back. And from here, just go to accessibility. After that, just tap on hearing enhancements and make sure you disable mute all sounds. Just like that. Now, once you do that, and if this did not fix your problem, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now, if Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, just disable Bluetooth. Now, sometimes this problem appears when Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and your phone will start connecting to an external speaker or your earphones. And this is why sound will not come out of your smartphone speakers. And if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, just go back. And from here, just tap on General Management. Then go to Reset. And from here, just tap on Reset All Settings. Now just select Reset Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. And tap on Reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the settings of your smartphone. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, just open the dialer app, then dial *#0*#. From here, just tap on speaker. Now, if you have done that and if you hear sound from your smartphone speakers, then it might be a software problem. Just wait for a software update to fix your issue. But if you have done that and if you did not hear any sound from your smartphone speakers, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix volume problem on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.